In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk about how we can remarket our YouTube ads. That's really very important topic. How we can remarket our YouTube ads. So first of all, there are two types of remarketing. First, it could be someone visited to your website and then you are remarketing him or her towards your YouTube ads. Or maybe it could be a second chance, like someone has watched your YouTube video and now you are remarketing that particular person towards your YouTube ads. So first, again, I repeat, someone visited to your website and from there you are remarketing that particular customer towards your YouTube ads. And second is, if someone has watched your YouTube video and now you are remarketing that customer towards your YouTube ad. So let's first talk about if someone has visited to your website and now we want to remarket that particular customer towards your YouTube ads. That's the first criteria. Now, if I want to do that, so what are the things which I require? That's the main thing. What are the things that I require? So first I need that my Google Analytics and Google Ads remarketing tag should be there. Like Google Analytics tag should be there or Google Ads remarketing tag should be there. Second is audience setup, either on Google Ads or Google Analytics. It's up to you. Either you can choose Google Ads or Google Analytics, but your audience setup should be there. Third is your Google Analytics and Google Ads integration. Your Google Analytics and Google Ads should be integrated with each other. Fourth is you should have your own YouTube channel. Fifth is your YouTube should be linked with your Google Ads, which means your integration between YouTube channel and your YouTube Ads account. These are the 5 steps you should have with you to remarket your customers from your website to YouTube channel or maybe towards your YouTube ad. Again, I repeat my 5 points. First, Google Analytics and Google Ads remarketing tag should be there. Second is your audience setup should be there either on Google Ads or Google Analytics. Third is your Google Analytics integration with your Google Ads account. Fourth is you should have your own YouTube channel. Fifth is integration of your YouTube channel with your Google Ads account. These are the first 5 steps of if you want to remarket your customer who has visited to your website and you want to remarket that customer towards the YouTube ad. That's the first step. If I come to the second step is if you want to remarket your customer who has watched your video, the YouTube video, and now you want to remarket that customer towards your YouTube ad. That's our second step. So let's look for that. So in this, the first step, it's going to be integration of our YouTube channel with our Google Ads account. That's our first step. Second step, it's going to be our audience creation in AdWords. On AdWords platform, our audience creation should be there. Third, it's ad creation. The ad creation of our remarketing one. So let's go ahead and do this. How we can remarket those customers who has watched our YouTube video and I want to remarket them towards our YouTube. So for that, I'll go to my channel. So this is my channel. I'll again go to my your videos. Inside my videos, and then I'll go to my account, and then I go to tools and settings. First of all, suppose I wanna remarket those customers who has watched this video. Now I want to remarket them. So what I'll do, I'll go to my Google Ad account again. I'll go to tools and settings. Then I'll go to audience manager. Inside the audience manager, if I hit on, there is option which says YouTube users. So once I hit on this, it says first link our YouTube channel. So go and link our YouTube channel. And this is not, I'll say our YouTube channel. Let's cancel. This is the right one. So I'll go to, I'll go to tools and settings. Inside this, I'll go to audience manager. And then inside the audience manager, I hit on plus icon. Then I have YouTube users option. Once you hit on this, the options would look like this. Now it says audience name. What is the audience name? Who people who watched the ad video. Or do one thing, if I go to my channel again and I go to your videos, and suppose who has watched my video is MS Excel course, watched the MS Excel ad video, and then list members. Now it's a kind of, we are choosing our audience. First it says video, viewed any video from a channel, which means they have viewed any video of your channel, right? Like suppose if you have published more than 100 videos on your channel and they have viewed any video, like maybe the 50th or maybe the 60th video of your channel, those audiences do you want to select? And then second option says viewed certain videos, like a few videos of your channel. Then we have third option which says viewed any video as an ad from a channel. Suppose on my channel there are 5 ads, and suppose any of our user has viewed any of them ad video, like only those people who has seen my ad from my channel. Then we have viewed certain videos as ads, like they have viewed certain videos of my ads only. Then those people who have subscribed to my channel, and then those people who have visited to my channel page, and then we have liked any video from our channel. Of course we can understand it by the name, those people who has liked any video, maybe only a single video if they liked from my channel. Or maybe those people who has added any video, maybe if it's a single video they have added from my channel to their playlist. Or maybe the lastly one, shared any video from a channel. Suppose my channel has a lot of videos and any of them has liked any video and they have shared, so I want to show ad to them. As if now I choose viewed certain videos, I have chosen this one and I have only this video, that's why it's showing here. Otherwise if you have multiple videos, what you need to do is you can come here and you can select the get shareable link, come here, enter the link, and then of course you will see the same video. And once I select that, now it says pre-fill options. If you go with start with an empty list, suppose from now onwards whosoever will view your certain videos, it would only remarket towards them. But if you select the first option which says pre-fill list with people who match the rules within the past 30 days. Suppose my rule is what? That people who have watched my certain videos. So which means those people who have watched my video from past 30 days. Those people, I want to show my ads to those. So what I'll do, I'll select I should not go for empty list because it would not have that much of audience. So I'll only go for pre-fill with people. The first one. Then membership duration. Enter the number of days someone stays in this audience. Suppose I wanna say the people who have watched my certain videos and they should stay to 540 days. That's the maximum limit. The maximum membership duration is 540 days. So they should stay in my audience till the last 540 days. Then I'll go ahead and hit on create. Once you hit on create, then you can see people who watched the MS Excel ad video. If you hit on this is how it would look like. People who watched the MS Excel ad video. This is how we have created our audiences. Now, how can we go ahead and remarket them? This is the question. So I'll go back, directly I go to Google Ads. Now for the remarketing, I'll go ahead and hit on new campaign, and that's really very easy, trust me. I'll go ahead and hit on create a campaign, goal guidance, then we'll go to video, we'll go to custom video campaign. If you want to go for non-skippable in stream, up to you. I'll go with custom video, then inside the custom, change the campaign name, change the bits, up to you, and then budgets and dates. Everything is gonna be same except one thing, and that's your audience. Except your audience, everything is gonna be same. Just like once you come here, you need to go and hit on browse. Inside this, you would have remarketing and similar audiences. Just hit on this. Then you have YouTube users. Hit on this and you have the options, people who watch the MS Excel ad video. Choose this and it's selected. And that's done. Then just go ahead and create your video ad. That's it. And then create the campaign and then publish your ad. As of now, I'm leaving this because I don't need this, because I personally think that you guys are now expertise how to create a custom ad video, right? And yeah, how to remarket that. That's why I have showed you the audiences, how to select the audiences. Now, that was our second part, how to remarket those people who have watched your YouTube video and now you want to remarket those people towards the YouTube. If I talk about the first one, which means the people who have visited to my website and now I want to remarket them towards my YouTube ad. So how do I do this? I'll go to my tools and settings. I'll go to my audience manager. So I have already created so many audiences. How is these audiences are here? These audiences are here just because, if you remember, we have created these audiences through Google Analytics. So if you want to create the audiences from the Google ads, what you need to do is you just need to hit on plus icon and then you have the website visitors. Just hit on website visitors and the page would look like this. Give the audience name. What is the audience name? People who visited to my website page. Or else, suppose you wanna say those people who have visited to my specific page and mention the specific page name. Now suppose I would say the people who have visited to my card page. What I'll do now, I'll go ahead and list my members. It says visitors of a page, which means I want to select those people who have visited to my page, or visitors of a page who also visited to another page. Like those visitors who have visited to my single page, but also they have visited to my another page as well. Third is visitors of a page who did not visited another page, which means those users who have visited to my one page, but they did not visit to my next page. Then we have visitors of a page during specific dates, which means we can also target those people according to my dates. Like suppose I want to target those people who have visited to my specific page between 1st February to 28th February. Then I have last option called visitors of a page with the specific tags. If you remember, we have created some tags like page view or add to cart or so many tags which we have fired. Now I want to target those people according to the tags. Suppose I want to say whenever the page view tag is fired, show my ads to those visitors. So I'll simply go with visitors of a page and then match any rule group and then match every rule group. We'll say the page URL, yes. Contains, if you want to stick to contains, equal, starts with, ends with, I will stay with contains. Now I'll inside my website, if any page contains the cart, it should show my ads to those people. Now you can go ahead and choose the pre-fill options, which I'll go with pre-fill list with people who match the rules within the past 30 days. Membership, we can stick to 540 days. Description, if you want, you can mention any description, and then we simply go with create audience. This is how I can create the audiences, people who visited to my cart page. Now I want to remarket those customer. I want to remarket to those people. How would I do? I would go ahead, I go to my Google Ads, I'll create a new campaign, I'll create a campaign without a goals guidance, then I'll select the video. I'll go with custom video campaign. If it's totally up to you which kind of campaign do you want to select, We'll go with continue. Simply everything same will directly come to audiences, and I'll select those audiences who have visited to my web page, and now I want to redirect them towards my video, YouTube video. I'll go to browse. Again, I'll go to your audience, remarketing and similar audiences. Then website visitors. Inside the website visitors, I have people who visited to my cart page. I'll select those audiences, and that's it. Simply, you will create your full ad. That's so easy, isn't it? We can simply create our ads, just link your YouTube and integrate it with your Google Ads account, and everything is seen so easy. And suppose I will go to my video placement ads. This is my campaign. Inside this, I'll go to my audiences, and then I'll go to exclusions. Inside the exclusion, suppose I want to exclude those audiences who visited to my web page. Who has visited to my cart page. I want to exclude these people. Now, these people are excluded. These people will not be able to see the campaigns ad which I have created this campaign inside the video placement ads. So exclusion and your linking and your remarketing is so easy. Just you need to put some logics in it, and then everything seems so easy. You can do it by yourself too. Trust me, that's really easy, right? And if I come back to my Google Ads account, that's it for this video, that we have learned about how to remarket those people who have visited to our web page, and I want to redirect those customers who have visited to my web page and towards my YouTube. And second, I have remarketed those people who have watched my YouTube video, and I want to remarket them towards my new YouTube video. That is it. And yeah, that's it for now. I want you to keep practicing about the same, keep thinking about the same, so that you will get expertise in this. Keep practicing. And I'll let you know with the next topic in the next video.